What's going on, Island Hoppers? Today we are coming to you from Southern California, and we're going to show you around the top 5 places to visit when you come to SoCal. First up on the list is San Diego, California, the southernmost metropolis in all of the state. San Diego is the place to go if you're looking for lots of outdoor activities, including the San Diego Zoo, Mission Bay, San Diego Harbor, Embarcadero. The downtown area has many activities, as well as Balboa Park. San Diego does have an efficient transportation system with light rail and other transport stations. Also, a great deal of naval history. So if you're into the Navy, you'll want to come to San Diego, as it is one of the best Navy towns in all of America. In fact, when we talk about the best cities in all of America, it is common to meet people who would say that San Diego, California is their number one city in all of the country. With a beautiful Mediterranean temperate climate up and down from San Diego to La Jolla and around Coronado Island. San Diego is widely known as a surfing capital. As you could see, lots of surfing activities, water activities, and sport fishing. So when you come to Southern California, be prepared to let your hair down as you arrive in San Diego and start moving north. Lots of history, lots of entertainment and fun for the whole family out here in San Diego. But let's begin to look around the rest of Southern California as we continue north. Next up on the list is San Clemente, the town that looks like a village that goes up the hill away from the ocean. This here is again another surfing capital of California. Many surfers like to go to the nearby area known as St. Onofre. Another interesting fact about Southern California is you can actually ride the rail lines up and down these towns from city to city, town to town, village to village. So they do have an Amtrak line. But right here, you can see beautiful views all around. $1 million homes, really, right here on the coastline of San Clemente. People who come to San Clemente are really looking for relaxation and a nice outdoor environment, and that's what they get when they come here. You can also hike, walk around, explore the beaches, camp, play beach volleyball. Lots to do out here, and who can forget the beautiful sunsets that you get from the shoreline every single night. And just up the road from San Clemente, you're going to get Dana Point. Now, Dana Point is a maritime capital known for whale watching. Depending on the time of the year, also depends on what whales you will see, as this is a big migration route for multiple different species of whales, including gray whales, humpback whales, and even the blue whale, the world's largest whale. And not too uncommon to see dolphins. Dana Point is a smaller town on the Southern California coast, but the views are spectacular, much more relaxing than some of the big cities in SoCal. So do keep that in mind when you come out here. You're really coming here to a relaxing place, not a lot of nightlife, and that's a good thing because many people actually just want to relax and enjoy the beautiful weather around Dana Point. And if you're enjoying this video, please consider liking the video, subscribing, and getting notified every time we make a new travel guide. Now we'll head back down south again towards Carlsbad, which is actually in between San Clemente and San Diego, just south of Oceanside. Now Oceanside didn't make the list because I consider Carlsbad to be where you actually want to locate yourself when you're trying to get around all of Southern California. Carlsbad has a nice downtown district, lots of bars, boutiques, cafes, and restaurants for those of you who like to do some shopping, and then you can just head on down to the beach and relax. And they have several boutique hotels that you'll want to stay at when you come over to Carlsbad. And possibly one of the most unique and scenic towns, Laguna Beach. This place is world renowned as it is in Orange County. Many reality TV shows come out of Laguna Beach, actually. People who visit Laguna Beach are coming for the beaches, they're coming for the shopping, and they're coming for the nightlife that you can get in the old historic town. It's not going to be the most crazy nightclub environment, but you do get to have a really good time at night. And the weather is perfect most of the year. Laguna Beach is known for its art scene. As you could see, many different unique art galleries up and down Laguna Beach. It does have one main drag, and the houses appear to be built along the sea cliffs out here in California. So $1 million homes, I mean, this is a really pricey place to be, even if you just want to visit. That's why some people pick a town like San Clemente and then they drive up to Laguna. But if you do choose to stay the night in Laguna, be ready to break out the billfold. Next up, Newport Beach. So we're going to head up above Laguna Beach to the furthest northern town on this list, Newport, just below Los Angeles. And this is the area you want to be if you're headed towards Los Angeles even, which actually didn't make the list because LA has become a place that is no longer considered as relaxing as many of these other Southern California towns, but we do include Newport Beach in this beautiful area on planet Earth. Newport Beach offers incredible views of the Channel Islands. You can see Avalon and some of the other cities on Catalina. Well, Avalon's really the only city you could see from Newport Beach at night, but you'll see the lights from here. They have a pier, they have a bike trail, jogging, rollerblading, roller skating, all up and down Newport Beach. They have a nice marina. This once was an industrial town that is now turned into a commercial hub for leisure. And when I say an industrial town, it was a fishing village, really. This is where they used to bring in all those tuna back in the day. Nowadays, not so many fish out there because of overfishing, more than likely. But you could see, really, Newport Beach. Lots of sand, lots of sunshine, blue skies, year-round. This is the place to be. And rounding out the final location on the list, we're going to head south again to La Jolla, which is just north of San Diego. And this place here is where people like to go for the bay. So the La Jolla Estuary Bay, where you can see plenty of seals and sea lions. Look at them everywhere. La Jolla is where the big money also exists. As you can tell, Southern California has a lot of expensive homes with views overlooking the Pacific Ocean. And they have parks, an art scene, and tide pools. People come here to do some tide pooling. Look at all the birds around here. You'll notice there's quite a bit of wildlife that likes to spend time in La Jolla Bay. That being said, hope you guys enjoy your visit to Southern California. There's many other small towns and villages up and down the coastline here, even some state parks that you may want to check out. And if you go inland, the mountains have great hiking and exploration to be had a little bit inland. All of these are Southern California coastal towns though. So if you guys enjoyed this one, hit the like button, subscribe to Island Hopper TV, and we'll see you guys on the next one.